Hello and welcome to our Vision tutorial on dispatching work orders through the Vision desktop application. Let's get started. In the Vision desktop application, navigate to the Dispatch tab. On the Dispatch Summary page, this is where we can see a collection of all open or completed dispatches, bucketed by service type. Let's look at an example. Here you can see our current and future dispatches bucketed into industrial, commercial, and residential service types. This will help organize your planning and labor. To create a dispatch, select Create New Dispatch. For first-time users, we can create a driver profile by selecting Manage Profiles. Here we can add and delete profiles. To create a profile name, select the segment. Many of you will just have one option. Detail which service type this profile will be associated with, and select the start and end locations of the vehicle. Continuing with the dispatch creation, select a profile based off of the service type for the work orders you wish to schedule. I'll be choosing a profile for residential work orders, and after I select my profile, all unrouted work orders will appear in the grid view below. You have the option of creating your routes in grid view or map view, and can toggle back and forth by selecting the grid and map icon on the upper left portion of your window. In this example, we'll start off in the grid view. Next, select the route date that you'll be scheduling these work orders for, and your status, whether this is going to be a planned route or just a route you want to save as a draft for later reference and planning. To select the desired work orders, you can click anywhere along the row. Selected work orders will highlight in orange, and you'll be able to see the total number of work orders and selected work orders detailed above the grid view. We also have a checkbox to only show selected or to select all work orders. Scroll to the right to expose more work order details, including work order notes, request types, due dates, etc. Each field has filtering options to narrow down your search and to optimize your planning. For example, we can filter by request type, dates, and provide multiple options for and/or searches. Any active filters are shown above the grid view. Simply click the Clear Filters button to remove all saved filters. To customize the grid view, drag and drop the work order fields by clicking and moving them to create a custom view. To add work orders to a route in the grid view, select and drag them down to the route. Similarly, to remove work orders from route, select and drag back up to the grid view. This is similar how we'll manage the work orders in the map view. To get to the map view, select the map icon. We can now see all of the unrouted work orders in the map, the details of those work orders in the list view to the right, and we now have a search function to further filter work orders. Selecting work orders will highlight them in orange, as you can see in the list view and the pins on the map. The total number of selected work orders will be shown in the larger summary pin located in the upper left hand of the map view. To select work orders, you can select a work order from the list view, pin on the map, or use the Lasso tools located in the hamburger menu. Lasso tools include a square, circle, or polygon to carve out which work orders you want to assign to a route. Easily drag selected work orders using the summary pin down to the route below. Now that we have some routed work orders, let's take a look at the different view options. This will affect what you see in the map view. Unrouted view displays all unrouted work orders. The unrouted plus route view displays all unrouted work orders and the route selected, in this example, the blue route. The route view will only show you the selected route. All routes will display all planned routes. This is used for multi-route planning. Everything will show you all routes and all unrouted work orders in the map view. In this example, we're going to choose our unrouted plus route view. You can see my blue route and the unrouted work orders. If I transition to just show my route view, now I only see my blue route because I've selected that route below. To continue planning our work, this time I'll use the square lasso tool. Don't worry if you overlap on a routed work order, those won't be selected to move to another route. To add another route, click on the plus button next to Route 1. And again, I'll quickly drag those selected work orders down to Route 2. Because I've selected Route 2, that's why I now only see the green Route 2, and I'll need to change my view to see all routes now that I've planned all of my unrouted work orders. Another feature in Dispatch Tool is the Check Inventory function. This icon is located next to the Route Optimize button. We can see the asset sizes needed and a summary of the work for each route. Lastly, before optimizing, assign a truck to each route by double-clicking on each route number to display the vehicle or driver drop-down list. We're now ready to optimize, and your work orders will be scheduled based off of your driver profile in a matter of moments. Lightning fast, and now we can see both planned routes in sequential order displayed in the map view. After route optimization, you can now see your total route time and total route distance for each route. Your final step is to select Publish to save and publish the dispatch. This takes us back to our Open Dispatch Summary page. To modify or view a dispatch, select the dispatch. Remember to change your view to modify, add, or remove work orders from a route. You can drag and drop work orders within a route or move them from one route to another. You have the option to manually order the work orders by simply selecting Publish, or you can re-optimize after modifying. Again, hit Publish to save your work. All changes will then be reflected in the Open Dispatch Summary page. You are now ready to quickly and confidently dispatch work orders. Thank you for watching.